How to download Alight Motion on laptop. So if you want to download Alight Motion on laptop, then what you need to do is first you just need simply make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you can open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with search and you need to search for Alight Motion. So search for Alight Motion, download for PC. After that, here you will have alightmotionpc.com, which is the official website. So just click on the first one. And here, if you scroll down, then you will have a download now option or a download Alight Motion option. You just need simply click on download Alight Motion and you will be able to download that application. But if you have BlueStacks on your device, then you just need simply open up your BlueStacks. And after opening your BlueStacks app player, you can just simply go with the search. And under search, you can simply search for Alight Motion. And after searching, you'll be able to have the install button. You can just simply go with install and install the Alight Motion from your BlueStacks if you have your BlueStacks. But if you don't have your BlueStacks, you can just simply go with download Alight Motion from your browser and it will start the downloading process. So that's how you can download Alight Motion on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.